The fastest way to master web development. Are you eager to become a skilled web developer, but not sure where to begin? Look no further. In this video tutorial series, we will guide you step by step through the world of web development, helping you grasp the most essential concepts and techniques. Whether you have zero coding experience or you are a seasoned developer looking to broaden your skill set, this series is designed to suit your needs. So, let's not waste any time and dive right in. Through this comprehensive video tutorial series, we will take you on a journey of mastering web development from scratch. Understanding the basics. To build a strong foundation, we will start by familiarizing ourselves with the fundamental concepts of web development. We will explore the three pillars of web development: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You will learn how to create static web pages using HTML, style them with CSS, and add interactivity using JavaScript. Front-end development. Moving forward, we will concentrate on front-end development. We will discover the latest tools and frameworks such as React.js and AngularJS, which enable you to build robust and responsive user interfaces. We will also delve into cross-browser compatibility, accessibility, and responsive design strategies to enhance the user experience on various devices. Back-end development. Now, let's proceed to back-end development. We will implement server-side logic using popular programming languages like Python, Node.js, or Ruby on Rails. You will learn how to handle databases, manage data securely, and create dynamic web applications that can handle user inputs and process their requests efficiently.